Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008. This car comes with a lovely specification. It is the GT line, so you have got a lot of features with the car. You get things like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, a DAB digital radio with USB connections from MP3 devices. You've also got a wireless charging plate for compatible mobile phones, front and rear parking aids, along with cruise control and a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a good day.